Hi, I'm Alia. So today I want to make a video about the verb imeti, to have. I will only do it for jaz, me, you, ti, on, ona, he, she. Because if I do all the others, we will be here all day. And I will give examples for the past, present and future. So let's just start for present. So, jaz imam telefon. I have a phone. Okay? And then ti imaš svinčnik. You have a pencil. On ima psa, he has a dog. Or ona ima psa, she has a dog. Alright? And then for the future, jaz bom imela avto. I will have a car. But if you're a guy saying this, you would say jaz bom imel avto. Alright? And then ti boš imel izpit. You will have an exam. Or if I'm saying this to a girl, I would say ti boš imela izpit. Means the same. You will have an exam. Okay? On bo imel zdravniški pregled. He will have a doctor's appointment or doctor's checkup. Yeah? Or if I'm saying it for a girl, so she will have a doctor's appointment, I would say ona bo imela zdravniški pregled. Okay? And now for the past, jaz sem imela računalnik. I had a computer. But again, if you're a guy saying this, you would say jaz sem imel računalnik. I had a computer. Alright? Ti si imel počitnice. You had vacation. Okay, or if I'm saying this to a girl, I would say ti si imela počitnice. You had vacation. So ti si imel, ti si imela. Okay? On je imel kolo. He had a bike. Or ona je imela kolo. She had a bike. Alright, so this was a very quick video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any more ideas for what video I should do next, please write them down in the comment section below, and I will talk to you guys very soon, and take care, yeah? Ciao, ciao!